Hello from Myrtle Beach. We are at the beautiful Boardwalk area of Myrtle Beach. We're going to give you a tour and show you everything that's new in 2023, things that were newly added in 2022, and we're also going to show you all the regular stuff here. So it'll be a full tour of both the Boardwalk and also the attractions on Ocean Boulevard. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here, we cover everything Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area. And if you're a return viewer, thanks so much for watching and welcome back. All right, we have got a brand new photo op. They added a bunch last year, but this is new. This is new since our last tour that we did of the Boardwalk area. So you've got these cute sea turtles here. The sea turtles do hatch here at Myrtle Beach. They usually move their nest down to the state park for their own protection. And also you've got these areas with the photo op that you can come and sort of get out of the sun. They've got minor covering in the summer. It doesn't give you a ton of shade, but it does give you a little bit. And you got these beautiful views here. So we're going to continue our tour. There's also some more new photo ops. They did put them in last year, but they're fairly new. One was put in right at the end of last year, so we'll show you that too. But you got Dirty Don's. You've got two different arcades that are oceanfront. Fun Plaza is the first one we're going to pass. Got these great garage doors so you can let all the ocean breeze in and good weather. It's a little too chilly for that today. We get a lot of questions about the weather in the winter here. I will put a link to our weather videos below. You'll see them in a playlist. But it is cold today. It is right now about in the 30s, but the wind chill is in the 20s, so it is chilly. Here's another one of the photo ops. This is one of the newest ones. This one was put in late last year. So cute. Love it. And got the Boardwalk Paradise General Store. It's a big gift shop. Got sweet treats. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. And especially since they've got tables that look like ice cream cones. Got a lot of people out for such a chilly day. Usually when it's this cold, you don't have a lot of people out, but there's quite a few people walking the beach this morning. Here's the other arcade that I mentioned. I've also got a couple of food options here. You got Abraham's, and you also have the Hurricane Daiquiri Bar, New York style pizza. And then here's one that does not have a photo op yet. I assume at some point they may add one. We don't know that for sure. But I think they will add one at some point to that as well. Also, I'll mention the new trash cans. They look way better. I know it's funny to talk about a trash can, but the old ones were not attractive at all. These look a whole lot better. And if you're not familiar, if you haven't been to Myrtle Beach in a while, they completely redid this planking right below us. That is completely new. It used to be wood, but now it's actually this multicolored sort of hardy plank. I don't know if it's actually hardy plank brand, but it's a wood composite type thing. So that's new as well. That was new in 2022. And then this is not new. This has been here probably for a couple of years now, but this is yet another photo op. So it's snuck in here right before you get to the Gay Dolphin. So if you'd like to take a wall photo, you've got that. And then I just mentioned the Gay Dolphin. This is the entrance, but they also have a street side entrance that we will show you. This is a multi-level, massive gift shop. Definitely recommend coming here and checking that out if you are in the area. It's worth it. They have all kinds of stuff, and it's very unique. And as we get down here, we've got Moo Moons, which is an eatery, and they have some fun drinks. I've seen some fun giant fishbowl drinks and stuff like that. And they do have outdoor seating when the weather's nice. And right up here is another one of the photo ops that I mentioned. Really cute castle. And then we are coming up to Pedestrian Park. That's what's right in front of us. In warmer weather, they do have some music out here, live music. They have other things in this park, so definitely something to keep an eye on your trips. And of course, we've got the gorgeous Skywheel coming up. And wow, is that wind cold. The wind just picked up and it's really cold. But the Skywheel is so much fun. We highly recommend it. We do have a couple of videos on the Skywheel. I'll put a little footage of us on it here so you can kind of see what it looks like when we're riding it. It is open year-round, and it opens usually at 11 a.m. Always check hours before you come out to something, but typically opens at 11 a.m. and is open all year. And we have both a daytime video as well as a sunset video. So we definitely recommend checking that out. Definitely a fun attraction. Do have a few more gift shops right over here. And then this statue is lovely, is right in Pedestrian Park. We'll get a better view of that from the front. Go behind these people so we don't interrupt their photo taking here. So there you go, you got the beautiful dolphins, the beautiful Skywheel. And then we're gonna walk around here. So another new thing that came up in 2022 is the pedestrian barricade, barrier, whatever you wanna call it. Again, the new trash cans. So this is new. It's got this lovely little wave design and the little dolphins. It's really pretty, and they are actually going to continue extending that. They're not even done with it yet. So that'll be something new in 2023 to continue to extend this. It's for pedestrian safety, also to keep people from jaywalking. It's for all kinds of reasons. I think it's a nice addition. I like it because they used to put up the ugly sort of just roadside barriers, and they were not pretty at all. So this is a lot nicer. Did want to mention right down here, right literally directly across from the Land Shark Bar and Grill and the Skywheel, right across the street is one of the only public bathrooms. I think it's the only public bathroom. Sure, you can go in some of the establishments, maybe the arcade and use the bathroom, but that one's an official, you know, open to the public. You got the zombie zone across the street here. You got I Love Sugar. And so here's a sign just advertising, you know, some of the stuff that they do here at the Boardwalk in the downtown area. And so this is Ocean Boulevard, this street right here. And since we're in the off season, I can kind of step out here in the bike lane and give you a view of that. We do have a lot of tours of Ocean Boulevard on our channel, both on the bike and in the car. So if you're interested in seeing the whole strip, definitely check those videos out. I'll try to remember to link one in the description below. In fact, we have a recent one from New Year's Day. We actually did it on New Year's Day. And across the way, I wanted to talk quite a bit about Ripley, so we'll probably cross the street and film over there so we can get a better view of some of that stuff. But over here, we've got a bunch of gift shops. We've got the Hi-Fi Coffee Bar, which I think is fairly new. And they're open. Oh, and people ask me what's open in the off-season. Actually, most of the stuff you see here will be open. Most things are open in the off-season. There'll be a few things that aren't, but most things are open. So here's that other entrance of the Gay Dolphin that I mentioned, just right here under that sign. And this tower is actually part of the Gay Dolphin as well, sort of an iconic part of the strip here in Myrtle Beach. So we are going to cross over after these cars pass. And we were going to check out the Ripley's attraction. So let's start with the moving 5D theater. We have done that before. I will say it's rough. It's rough. So it's rougher than most rides are.
So I think it's closed.
Permanently closed? Coming soon, Ripley's. Wow. Okay, so this is breaking news. This is actually since the last time we've been here is new. All right, let's check out this sign. Good catch, Brian. Coming soon, Ripley's Illusion Lab. All right. Well, we will definitely keep you posted when we find out more about that, because I haven't even seen anything in the news. I try to keep up with everything new coming to Myrtle Beach. If you know something, leave it in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Also, brand new, this is something I did know about, and I did see one very small news article about this, and it came out some time ago, but they are going to add a indoor putt-putt attraction. I don't have any, or mini putt or mini golf, whatever you call it. I don't have any more details on that yet, but I will absolutely keep you posted on that. And then we've got the Ripley's Haunted Adventure. At first we thought maybe they were replacing the Haunted Adventure with that. Now we're not so sure. The article kind of indicated that maybe they're keeping the adventure and adding that. So time will tell. We'll find out. If you're enjoying this video, definitely subscribe, and that way you won't miss any of these updates as we find out more information. They do have the Ripley's Mirror Maze, and we have done the Mirror Maze, and it is a ton of fun. And we definitely recommend it. It was more fun than I was expecting. And no, this is not sponsored in any way. This is our own money we spent to do these things. And then you can see the arcade, the New York Pizza Kitchen. Most of the things that we showed you on the other side, you can get to from this side. Not everything, but most of it. Then we've got a couple of gift shops, Mr. Fry's. Lots and lots of gift shops in this area. So if you're looking to buy some souvenirs or gifts for people back home, you can definitely find them in this area. Then you got Generation X, which looks like still another gift type shop. And then right here is another entrance to the Paradise General Store right across the street. Then you got the Fun Plaza over there as well. Here's where you can get some custom t-shirts made. Henna tattoos. The Fun Plaza again across the street. One tip about these welcome centers, these are not official City of Myrtle Beach welcome centers, so do not expect that. They are places that are going to try to sell you things. You might get some deals on things, you might not. That's totally up to you, but just so you go in with eyes wide open, those are not official welcome centers. Those are people trying to sell stuff. Also, you've got Peach's Corner. That is an iconic, it's been here for a very long time. I want to say 1939. It has been here a very long time. And then something else that's new is the facade here on Ripley's. It was, the other side was damaged in the Hurricane Ian, and so they have been working on repainting it, and they have done really a great job. We'll go down here and take a look at the other side. And the Ripley's Auditorium, I think I said aquarium, sorry. Ripley's Auditorium, Ripley's, believe it or not, is a lot of fun. We have been there, definitely recommend it. We have a video, it's about 3 years old, but we do have a video on our channel if you're interested in it, where we give you a full tour. We may do a new one in the not too distant future, so stay tuned for that. So here's what this side looks like, and I think that other side they're not finished with, so I think it's gonna look the same once they get to that point. You've got the zip line adventure right up there, and if you go down this street on the right, there's a giant parking deck. This time of the year, the parking is actually free, but that can vary, so always check that out. I think we've got the right of way right now. I know it says red, but they've got the stop. So we're gonna cross over. And then this area right here is a pedestrian area that's close to the boardwalk. You've got the Boardwalk gift shop. You've got Duffy's and the Bowery. And we do have some news down here about the coffee house. The coffee house, they have decided, I think, basically to retire. I don't think they went out of business. They just have decided to close up. So we're waiting to see what is going to come new there. We'll see if there's any new signage here, but I don't think so. I think that is it. I know it says temporarily closed, but their sister shop's Hi-Fi Coffee, so that's interesting because we passed that before, so that's pretty interesting. And then of course right here where we started is the Oceanfront Bar and Grill, and then down this way you have the beautiful flags on the boardwalk, and of course the beautiful beach. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.